Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add recently viewed products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all we need to do is to add some plugins or extensions that would do this or that would add this feature to our store. So simply we can go to extensions here in your WooCommerce plugin, and after that we need just to go to the WooCommerce marketplace. Just type recently viewed and basically it will search for any plugins that will do this work. So as you can see, there is already like these two uh, recommendation or two plugins. There is this recently viewed products in WooCommerce, and there is also the recommendation plugin if you would like it. So it will offer smarter upsells, cross sells, etc. And basically, you can either have the extensions from your extension, or you can simply go to the plugin. And I'm just going to search for a plugin that would add this feature too. So whatever you like, either have like from the WooCommerce marketplace or either go into the WordPress plugins, and basically here it will have things, plugins for WooCommerce, like you can see the recently viewed products for WooCommerce or related products create upsells, etc. and the recommendation for WooCommerce. So I'm just going to click on it, and then here I'm just going to see the screenshots so we can find the related products or recommendation, etc. Or you can choose this one, and we can also find the installation and how it is working. But I prefer to have this one since it has a more appealing and more rich features. So I'm just going to click on install, and now I'm just going to activate, and basically it will be added in my menu, and then we will be able to start adding this in our WooCommerce. So basically we can go to the related products, and then you can start setting up your products here, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.